This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range LITE 252RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, water heater, external shower, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, microwave, awning, spare tire kit, skylight, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range LITE 252RB is 6,185 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.